In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Grab car booking. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Grab on your device and set your current location in this section. So go ahead and search for your current location. You can also automatically add it by enabling your location. After that, go ahead and click on the transport section. You'll find this below the search field. Click on that transport section, and in here, go ahead and click on that where to be able to enter your destination. In this section, you'll need to select your pickup location. Click on the choose this pickup button, and you'll be given two options to avail Grab taxi or Grab car on your area. After selecting your Grab taxi preference, go ahead and set your payment method. After that, go ahead and click on that book Grab taxi button. After you book that, go ahead and enable location sharing. So this will allow you to share your real-time location with your driver. After that, go ahead and click on that update button to update your preference and select the booking that you want to go for and hit on the book Grab taxi button to be able to book this ride. In this section, you'll need to enter who will ride the Grab taxi that you've booked on Grab. Make sure to enter all of the passengers' name on this section. Or you'll need to answer how many will ride for that booking. After that, Grab will look for a ride for you based on the Grab taxis near you. So click on the looking for a ride section and click on cancel booking to immediately cancel your booking on Grab car. It is highly important for you to cancel your booking while it's still on the looking for a ride section to be able to make sure that you cancel your booking without extra fees, since canceling your booking later on will require you to pay for fees. And that is how you can simply cancel booking on Grab car. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.